My dad passed away last year and left us this house. It was the house that I grew up in when I was younger, and it was in a sad state of affairs.
Hasn't been touched in 60 years.
Yeah, it hasn't been touched since I was younger. So we knew that we were going to have to do a lot of work to it. And I think when we were going through the process of trying to find someone to work with to help us with the renovation, we wanted someone we could really trust and sort of experts who were going to guide us through the whole process.
We didn't even know what was necessarily possible, and Sosna's walked us through every step of the way.
Yeah, I think the thing with this renovation was we wanted someone who was going to guide us on what was possible, what was not possible, and sort of exceed our expectations every step of the way and let us know if, we were being unreasonable.
They always found a way to make things work for us and with us, so.
Yeah, I think the greatest thing is that we had a specific budget in mind, we had a specific time frame because we are currently renters, and every step of the way they worked with us to make everything possible, which was something that we never thought was going to happen.
Yeah.
And this house is now everything that we wanted and more.
And we're never moving again.
No, we are never moving again. But a big thing for us was that we wanted a kitchen that was functional. We wanted a bathroom that was going to be, functional but beautiful. And we wanted something that was going to be our forever home. So it's really lovely to be in this home once again that I originally grew up in as a child, and now making new memories here again.